Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to connect eBay with Payoneer. So make sure you watch till the very end. At first head over to your eBay account and then at the top you'll see my eBay. So click on this one and then we head over to selling just like so. So let it load and then under selling you see this payments method. So we're going to click on payments just like that and then let it load. And so basically here click on continue and then click on add payment option. So let's say that credit or debit card and then continue. So from there it's going to ask you for your credit or debit card. So basically what you're going to do is head over to Payoneer and see your Payoneer card details and whatever card number that is, the expiration, CVV, everything, just put it over here and there you go. This is how you can do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this and I'll see you guys in the next one.